Welcome to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best products to make your life easier. And today, we're diving into what is arguably the best pill organizer on the market right now, the Barhon Large Weekly Pill Organizer. If you've ever fumbled with small compartments, cracked flimsy lids, or lost track of your supplements, this organizer is about to be your new favorite health companion. Let's break it down. First off, the size. This thing is no joke. Each individual compartment can store up to 15 fish oil capsules, 20 large vitamins, or even 35 smaller capsules. That's massive. So if you're someone who's got a diverse supplement routine or taking multiple meds, you're covered. And to give you a better idea of scale, the whole organizer is about 8 inches long and each slot is a roomy 2 inches wide and an inch deep. That means no more forcing pills into cramped spaces or accidentally cracking tablets when you close the lid. Now let's talk design. This isn't your average plastic box. Barhon uses medical-grade, BPA-free polypropylene, safe for your pills and built to last. You can literally drop this, and the lids won't just pop open and scatter your pills. The lids have a secure snap-shut mechanism, but they've also made them incredibly easy to open. The ergonomic design includes a raised edge, so even if you've got arthritis or reduced grip strength, you won't have any issues accessing your meds. That's a thoughtful touch. Combine that with a frosted surface that hides fingerprints and scratches, and you're looking at a pill box that actually stays looking clean and fresh, even after months of use. Portability also gets a checkmark. Despite the large capacity, it's surprisingly slim and easy to slide into a travel bag or keep in a drawer. It's built for the home, but it's more than ready for the road. Whether you're heading out for a business trip or a vacation, this organizer is ready to go with you. Another subtle but smart detail is the light protection. The frosted outer shell adds a bit of shade that protects light-sensitive pills from sun exposure, while also keeping your routine private. No one needs to see what you're taking unless you want them to. At its current price point, the Barhon Pill Organizer is punching well above its weight. It's simple, clean, and solves real problems that people with multiple medications or supplements face daily. And with its long-lasting build, it's not just a weekly organizer, it's a long-term solution. So whether you're managing your health, planning your vitamin intake, or helping a family member stay on track, the Barhon Large Weekly Pill Organizer is easily one of the best options out there today. No gimmicks, no complications, just a thoughtfully designed tool to make life easier. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, stay organized and stay healthy.